there it is, GY3 Citron Yellow. Still a long ways from being done, but this is basically the pre-paint, and we got to get this thing back into storage. I got to get back on to other stuff, so still some body work to do, and then black vinyl top and black stripe, black hood decal. So it might be kind of hard to tell in the light, but this is the green yellow, the Citron Yellow, or Curious Yellow for 71 only. And in some light, it looks like lemon twist. But rubber bumper car, lots of blackout will still go on the car. And we'll put her in storage here for another month or so. We got the muscle car and Corvette Nationals coming up, and I need to concentrate on getting some cars ready for that.